Hey, welcome back to Saving with Ashley Corella. So today we are getting into I Got the Hook Up. Let's get into it. So I went on ahead and made each one a certain amount. I used my Panda Roll Call cards for that. So let's pull and see what we are doing. We got pink, so that will be $3 going in here. 2 and 3. We will color the first one off, and this will create a chain, which I think will be great. And then we'll put our 3. Should we pull another one? Because we have a total of $20. Let's see what we get. And we got blue. So that is 6, 5, 6. And let's color a blue one. Excuse my dogs in the background. They're a little crazy. All right. Let's see. We have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, and $11 left. Let's hope we don't get a green. And we got orange, which is 3. So that is great. This will be going towards property tax. And if you know, you know, property tax, you got to do it. All right. Let's do one more. And we got another 6. All right. And we did not pull that in the row. And we are going to stop there because of the fact we're not sure. And the crazy part about this game that I like is if we would have got the 2 blues next to each other, we would have had to double it, which is crazy. So let's hook these up together. So it is pink, then it is blue. We're going to start our little chain sequence together. Then we got our orange. And then we got blue again. All right. And we are going to stop there. So far we saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and $15 going towards property tax. And that is awesome. All right. I'll see you.